Something else that I hope goes without saying is that people do need to be able to check you out online. Now, I'm not talking about Tinder here. I'm talking about those online profiles that so often people leave blank. If you're attending an online event and the website or the app or whatever platform they're using has an opportunity for you to set up a profile, take it. Fill it in. Add a photo. Add details. Add a list of who you would be interested in connecting with. Give yourself the best possible chance of making the connections that you want to make while you're online. People don't want to have a conversation with a blank profile or somebody who's just hiding behind an avatar or just an indistinct photo. The same is also true of LinkedIn. LinkedIn has suddenly become incredibly important as we start to build these connections online. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete. Make sure that it is up to date. Make sure that it has a photo and a banner photo across the top of the profile. Little tip, on that banner photo, embed your phone number, your email address, that sort of thing in that detail so it's right there for people to see. They don't have to hunt through finding your contact details. Another trick for any online profile, whether it's LinkedIn or on another website, is don't go for big blocks of text. Break them up. Use bullet points. It makes it far easier for read. People can scan through it much faster. They can put out the pertinent points. They're not having to try and parse the information you've put up there. So keep it clear, keep it simple, keep it direct, keep it up to date, but make sure that you are there.